Hey everyone, this is the start of the rebuild series. This is episode number 1, and this is going to be called Looking Over the Damage.
So this is my BMW Z4. At first glance, it doesn't look too bad. Like the mirror is actually just folded up. It's not broken. But it does that's pretty much the only good part about it. Let's get into the bad part. So first, let me go ahead and say this car was wrecked about 2 months ago. It went sideways into a guardrail. So first thing we need right off the bat is a front bumper. Let's just walk around the car. And I hate the way these wheels look on this car. In my opinion, they look awful. So I am going to probably get a new set of OEM wheels with matching rubber all around. Currently, the car has a Chili's tires in the back and then no name in the front. So let's keep on walking down. We are going to need a new emblem. As you can see, the door is creased right down there. We're going to have to do a little bit of body work on this fender. But that looks like that is it for this side. Let's walk around the back. There is a little nick right there. Going to have to fix, maybe with a little bit of Bondo. Does that look right? Doesn't look like this Bodyline matches up, so probably have to mess with some adjustments there. The back, I'm going to need a new exhaust. Somehow we got ripped off in an accident. Let's move on to the driver's side, and this is where the fun starts. So let's start off with this tire. Shot. But like I said, I'm getting a full set of OEM rubbers and wheels, I guess. Wheels and tires. So never mind that. That's pretty much already done. Fender, this looks like it is just a big scratch on the fender. So I don't think I'm going to replace that, but definitely repaint. Maybe a little bit of Bondo right down here. That's a pretty deep gouge. Door. This also looks like it's just paint damage, like a really deep scratch. Actually, I can rub that off. Either way, I'm going to sand this part down, repaint it, and blend it in. Mirror, definitely gonna need a new one of these. And there's something went wrong with the latching mechanism inside the car, and now it does not open, so I'm going to have to take off. Excuse that. That is my neighbor and his VQ. I'm going to have to dissect that door, see what's going on with it. Side skirt, okay. Might have to fill in a couple scratches. I don't see any right off the bat. Or maybe right down there. Let's see. Fender, definitely gonna need a new fender. Fender liner, probably. Bumper, did I already say bumper? And then I'm not too sure if I'm going to need a new radiator. As you can see, it is tweaked quite a bit, but it is not leaking. Not leaking at all. I think it's just the brackets that are bent up. So I may just need to fabricate or buy new brackets. And that is the let's fix this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And that is the damage report on this car. Just to recap, wheels, fender, bumper, liner, dissect the door, figure out what's going on with that. And I think that was it. And probably respray everything. Probably buff out these headlights too. Let's move on to the interior. What do we need inside of here? So I need to finish taking out the aluminum trim and swapping that onto my other car. But other than that, this I also need. This cover is about, I think, $60. And that button. And that is it for the interior. I don't think I'm going to fix the handbrake. I'm going to let the next owner figure that out. Oh, and steering wheel. I definitely need a new steering wheel. Underneath that cover is absolutely disgusting. Like all the leather peeled off. So I'm going to need a new steering wheel. And I think that is it for the interior. Maybe, oh yeah, definitely interior door handles or trim covers. Those seem to be missing on both sides. So I'm going to need that. And that, I think, sums it up. And I'm also not going to fix the convertible top motor just because, oh, there's a little bit of damage there too I need to fix. I am not fixing the convertible top motor just because I am actually going to sell this car. And I'm going to sell it as is so the next owner can figure that out. And I'm not going to ask too much for this car. I'm actually going to let it go for pretty cheap. So, like I said, I'm going to let the next owner figure that out. All right, and that concludes this video.